someone dies in South Carolina without a will. My name's Christopher Pratt, and I'm a trial lawyer that practices some probate work here in Anderson, South Carolina. In South Carolina, if a person dies without a will, their estate is governed by the South Carolina Intestacy Statute. Basically, that is a law that was passed by our state legislature which dictates and determines where all of that person who's passed away, where their belongings go. Usually, it's to the next of kin. For example, if a person has no children but is married, their entire estate goes to their spouse. However, if a person is married and they have, say, 2 children, then half of their estate, or 50% of their estate, will go to their husband or wife, and the other 50% will be divided equally between their children. Now, in other situations, if someone doesn't have a wife and they don't have any children, say if they're a minor, a 15 or 16-year-old, well, then their whole estate will be divided equally between their parents if they're both living, and if one of the parents is not living, then it will go solely to the parent that is living. And the South Carolina Intestacy Statute has provisions for much more, we'll say, distant scenarios when someone leaves behind very few relatives. So if you find yourself in a situation where a loved one has passed away without a will, please give us a call at 864-226-7222 or reach out to us on the web at tnplegal.com, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have.